Welcome to Keurig quality at our most welcoming price. Enjoy a rich, full-flavored taste every time you brew with this Keurig K-Express single-serve coffee maker. Whether you're looking to start your morning strong or need the perfect afternoon pickup, use the strong button for a bolder, more intense coffee taste. And speaking of bold, the sleek, modern design of the K-Express coffee maker makes a big impression in any kitchen. Enjoy an 8, 10, or 12 ounces cup of your favorite beverages, all fast and freshly brewed in minutes at the touch of a button. The 42 ounces removable reservoir lets you brew up to 4 cups before refilling. And back-to-back brewing means you don't have to wait for your brewer to reheat before brewing a second cup. Plus, you can choose your favorites from the hundreds of coffee brands and flavors available in K-Cup pods, including tea or hot cocoa. You can even use a K-Cup reusable coffee filter with your favorite ground coffee. And all of this comes at a price that helps you put America's #1 single-serve coffee maker brand on your counter. Times 8 Oz. Cup size. If you're interested in learning more about the Keurig K-Express coffee maker, please click on the link in the description below. Start your day strong with bold flavor. Experience coffee like never before with the K-Express's strong button, designed to elevate the intensity and richness of your coffee's flavor profile. Whether you're kicking off your morning or needing an afternoon boost, the K-Express ensures your coffee packs a punch with every sip. Tailor-made coffee for your taste. The K-Express doesn't just offer a single cup size, it offers 3. Brew an 8, 10, or 12 Oz cup of your favorite beverages with the simple push of a button. Whether you prefer a quick shot of energy or a leisurely, larger cup, the K-Express has you covered. Efficient water reservoir for continuous brewing. Say goodbye to constant refilling. The K-Express boasts a 42 ounces removable water reservoir that allows you to brew up to 4 cups before needing to refill. This means you can enjoy multiple cups without the hassle of frequent water replenishing. Fast and fresh brewed coffee in minutes, time is of the essence, and the K-Express understands that. With its advanced brewing technology, you can indulge in delicious, freshly brewed coffee in mere minutes. Say farewell to waiting and hello to instant coffee gratification. Coffee on the go. No problem. The K-Express is travel mug friendly, accommodating travel mugs up to 7.4 inches tall. Whether you're sipping at home or heading out the door, your favorite coffee is ready to accompany you on your journey. Save energy while savoring flavor. Keurig's commitment to sustainability shines through with the K-Express's auto-off feature. After the last brew, the coffee maker automatically turns off after 5 minutes, conserving energy and contributing to a greener environment. Customize your brew with my K-Cup reusable filter. Want to explore your coffee creativity? The K-Express is compatible with my K-Cup universal reusable coffee filter. Brew your ground coffee and enjoy a personalized coffee experience that matches your unique taste. Sleek design for modern kitchens, a coffee maker should be more than just functional, it should make a statement. The K-Express's sleek, modern design adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen countertop. Its dimensions and handle-friendly height make it a versatile and stylish addition to your space. The Keurig K-Express single-serve coffee maker is more than just a coffee maker, it's a game-changer. With its bold flavor options, multiple cup sizes, efficient water reservoir, and travel-friendly features, it's the perfect companion for your daily coffee journey. Embrace the convenience, versatility, and quality that Keurig is renowned for, all at an unbeatable price. Elevate your coffee experience and make the K-Express a delightful addition to your daily routine. Say yes to flavorful mornings and join the Keurig family today. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.